Hi everybody, I'm Tara from Crooked Row, and I don't know if you can hear that, but it's raining. We actually were going to go up into what we call our upper field to plant all the elderberry cuttings that we had taken, and I'll put that video down below because we taped all of that too, or videoed it as well. So we woke up this morning and we said, we're going to start our cash crop and plant 114 elderberries. And I think that God or Mother Nature had a different plan. So we are waiting for the rain to pass, and we are going to take you along as we go through our property and go up to our upper field. And we're going to, our plan is to start rows of elderberries in our upper fields, and then we want to slowly add beehives to that. We're not going to add beehives this year, although we will have some beehives in our garden this year, and we'll take you along for that as well. But so anyway, it is definitely raining. You can hear it, it's so loud in the greenhouse when it rains. But so we're gonna go ahead, as soon as it stops raining, we're gonna take you along so that we can go ahead and plant out our 100, and I can't remember if it's 114 or if it's 140, but I know it's a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and plant those out and start, hopefully what will be in about 5 years from now will be a cash crop for us, but come along with us as we plant. Let's get started.
There you go. That was us planting our elderberry cuttings so that we can grow a cash crop here on the farm. We hope that you will come along with us and watch as we are growing that, and as that comes into fruition, it should be a great thing for us. So thanks for coming along, and remember, if we can plant a cash crop, anybody can. Thanks. Bye.